Hi, Arvi. Wow, this is your kitchen, Arvi? Wow, nice. And this is your teapot. Wow. And where is sugar pot? Sugar, where is milk? Milk. Wow, milk pot. Wow, Arvi, can we see your milk pot?
It's over here.
Wow. And this is your teapot. And this is your cups. Pink and purple and white too. And some cookies, right? And lots of cookies here too. Wow, muffins too, Arvi, right? Wow, I like your set, Arvi. Wow, can you make some tea for us, Arvi? Yes? Oh, make some tea, please. Arvi making tea. And now sugar time. Sugar. 1 spoon of sugar and now some milk. Some milk, Arvi. Wow, tea is ready for mommy. And where is cookies? Cookies already here? Wow. Yum yum. Tea ready. And some cookies. Good job, Barbie. Please like and subscribe my. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.